Good morning, sir. Please have the hand. One hand. Interest lot. Please have. Please have. Hi. Good morning, sir. Hi. Morning. Morning. Thank you. Hi. Good morning. Allah.
Now I give time to our chairman.
I'm privileged to welcome our chief guest, Shri Y. Dikehosu, President, Agri and Allied NDPP Nagaland, Managing Director and CEO, Okusa Toyota Nagaland, and former Minister Government of Nagaland. Nieko Zebie Kazoma Village First Edition Shani Van Kirit Tonu Shliawe Ungo Program Hauha Bahuri Kazoma Village Council in collaboration with Department of Agriculture, Government of Nagaland, assisted by Department of Tourism, Department Government of Nagaland, Shidi, Ungo Program Hauha Chusaba Ungo Matogo Mijiki Gidamu, Terenu, Ungo Kepenyofaki, Potejar, Kromu, Kepenyofak, Jasidi, Ungo Mato, Chigadola, Chia Putikapie, Pastor Tusade, Pastor Bungo Sunu, Kachatsuli, Ungo Matogo, said they Vogelasu to sit away.
En nous aider, que tes capables que me ne peut plus d'eau. Hame tego, tu es risne segeba. Que tu me que me j'ai m'suke peu, hago que me ne peut pas Jehovah. No que digo me que Dieu, ni pour comme ni pour. Lebi est ce que ce. Hago que rocase segeba we. To qui dit non tout ça. Que hakero yo mette go tu se que ta que to que solo che drink yo lo che ki drink solo che hogeda mellegeta per mo te se per si per ce que tu mette go nte kabe hago que piso ma to que vi que tsmo que meje se go se akane que te ze kabe mpiba we to so yo que se vivo kabe que zo mi enna pise Shani, yo hagopo, Tadz hagopunigo, no jobo kepi, que tu que vini hipo hisene, nte zene hagoker tu vaza. Toso yo que se vi yolohi, hashahami, hamuke yumi ha government, hasezanogi, hagetsimigo, mette zevone, no eto ki zedusa, hacho havaka geso que me ne peso gedu, sente zen zachedoline voke ngude. Hagoma to jete que se gamane, hago que romete caben bilo se zoe. No Jesus Christa, hago que la goza se ne po Jehovah kite jo chosuwe. Amen.
We have 3 items in a row now. Firstly, I give time to the chairman of Kezoma Village.
Teretodu, Putika Vihola. Tesetel bese que nous faisons va se sauver. Tel que fergo que vous savez que tout, c'est tel que pour toi, le special speaker, Sri Y. Dikehosu, Chairman, NDPP, Agri and Allied Organization, and Okusa Toyota Company. Telegrapher Ugo ex-MLA Engineer Zalenika Mu Dr. Niprezo Kidisu. The Department Secretary Getsunu officials को मु staff work बागो उको media friends को जैसे उको के से details हेडी पुसाइतला तेरे को details इसी समझतला ने पुबगत पुले रहते देरी ने के हुबो सेरी थे पुतिला है के चुपनु ने तीन या खासी वर 우라메 신이 더 도스디니게 저하누 걸 해고제게 후무 해고 보단하고 바페 레게들라 계속내 레공스 수누 계페제스 베세네고 베테고 베소스야 무 디니시디 케네버클레 베테 제베고 게 후누 스겔레 수즈츠레웨이 그 해고 해 계속내하 레케체 세케니 포트키니 포토스디 르나츠게 바포 무 놀흐크자 헤테 타게제 레제메르딜 후바야 헤즈 피츠메티기 레제누조게 모세 마차케 크리포누리 마케 크릉레 요모 슬라 우크노티기 기프키 페테 텔하무 세테노하 제게 도버 시디 르나메 바흐리 케사케메르 라고 티치우누 라고 저고 티치게티 솔레그레고 솔레야그모고 세테노하세 우차츠버 데리 케미미고웨 세테노 포케비 시드모키제디 저리 조야모 세세 텔히 테리스야모 그글로먼저 테즈 텔히테 그츠 도시모 무 텔히 그츠 볼차리 바그몰라 슬라 데니니 고조베츠에 디치우누 세테노 제글고 세고세 테보자 스리버 시버디 피르티체 니보 페테스디테 타 테르기 그로멘기사 른다메 크로히 마차케 크리게츠누 른나누버레 무수제 테멜후레 무 게후타 게투자 parle 데리 레겔레제 른나메고 스테노 제게츠 하우 카와 무 하우 지모게타 세케조 티체 헤데기포 parde 하이디 할레 지모게타라 가느니 제페테 베즈보타게즈누 나갈렌 거멘네 티체니게 디베 페세 세테노 티체 이디 프라사 year of millet 무 하우페무디 2023 함빌티우누 키스하마누 밀렛 페스티벌 발레 테니티 하우누 우고 honorable CM Dr. Nipurio 세테노 기비제고 템메스홀라 비게츠고 무 테리테누 포차메 야게바 무시디 르나메 세테노하 젤레모르게쇼 누네고 세게 자케스누 빌레스 콘실고 CM 데시스디 르나메 세테노하 제 세데 랄레모르게쇼 누네 파르레 시디 라메 페테부 세테노 제게도 하우세메츠 마허츠레디 디제 니게네디 메페 데티치우누 제토에세 데리 포세 응울레 모게탈라 젤레모다디 포세 풀레디 제테누 젤레 무 하우누 빌레스 콘실고 세테노 제고스베 레케미고 제세 세세고 세테노 젤레디 스니 베바게토 마하하우 세 DAO Kohima District Agricultural Office Kohima Basic Shaki DAO Kohima Gamenise Set Seteno Lenu Jelea Kijago Mu Seteno Kitu Mishimpo Sa Kapeheko Krohisa Zero Tenigata Nigata Tenihau Tenik Samo Tezu To Ukrunogo Rondatsu Seteke Lenunu Nidogeta Tenipo 무테니 하우 마차케 네누니야 보로 세테노 테세버즈 세데게 달라 스니 이디 부야 무차케 프로리로 테쿠츠 시와디 니야게 찰라 테니 하우에세 쿠토니 이시리아 세 우라 Kristana Keze Bamote, Sala Tini Kipigo Nitiomote, Deri Tichegapra, Sekrini Mu Tsini, Tini Hane Tisoya Chipebadi Nia, Tsini Hauro Tichenu, Julaya Mefunhe Pepadi, Kezoranu Huria Paranats Kebago, or Kezenia. Village Council go Tini House Separate, Kilu Liro, Tini Utsa Kehas Halegadio. Gan years ago, Fete Pecula Legadio. Bernamico had a Telitenu Slegadio. Mu Potilaki Hupozek Setazuri. Bernamibu gets a Gekenu Kukeba Legadio, Kelenu Separ. Urame Lecheler Henu, Agri and Elite Department go, Eco Crohi Babies Vorza. Muhandu Bahuri, District Agricultural Office, Kohimako, Pezepe Kriba. Uko, SRI ECD, the Kuketsudo, Kesapo, several Heko Petasha, Sumhunu, the Kuketsunu, Seyakeja, Mishinko, Rick Cassidy, Lechimiko Bu, Seko City, Zere City, the Kutslebade. Tedoke Saho, Marketsunu, Teme Pure, Mu, Temejari Lepesa. Deri Poliyewe, Mu Krakoleba, the cook gets a Saho, Borgelezedi, Renamico, the cookets, Unum Parle, CD, the Kutsu to market, the Kutsu to Magata, Petet, or Petet Slavate, Siro, Uramigo, Department Chatamejidi, Hatsepedigelela, National Award, Kinder Crackle Sele. Pou DJ Nigel Digger Hache, Tete Dialogue Zomako Mule, the second new DJ Nigel Dim Furche, Kizoma VDB, DDU PSB, ECD National Awards, the Google Sele, Zero Telanu, Gekro Chapete, Lecheler Hesate. Kekrohiha, Kekruki Pete, Kemivingulea, Muke Zone Lake, Kecheranapo, Sla, Hekomejidi, Agri and Elite Noha, Hekorana adopt Sledi, Hekobu Department go, Kekrohi City, Hatsuche, Idi, Renasunu, Teuko, Special Speaker Sagata, Sir Y because Ki Hekomingu How Chasaya. Mu how penalty are there? Renakisanu get to Kerubo, so Kayepese Ugo speaker to Sodo, but dear Hola Tepese.
Thank you, Chairman, Kezoma Village Council, for your short presentation on the festival.
Azeko Abu Tene de Dudu, de Pusachedia, for the Nichuki Anagabs Nushera. That Tene de Pumozo, teacher Sarah Hidia, Solano, Ilio Petebo, she look at the la, she like the la. Nagamis no Pusido. I think that satisfied you. Subsi Agede Amarlaga, the more thanks. Chairman KDV Macro. Target Diase, our Amarlaga thanks goes to the village chairman, Kikrosa Naki, Vizono Yongo, chairman, organizing committee, Masivi Naki, the president NDPP, Southern Angami, 15-2. My special thanks also goes to former MLA and chairman, Nagaland Handloom and Handicraft, Dr. Niprizo, who is also the president of the NDPP Kohima region, his colleagues, former MLA Engineer Zale Naka and his friends, my friend Dr. Hovital, Director Tafma and his team. In fact, he was instrumental in allowing us, the Agri-Elite, to be here today. Officer in command of the Dikoi Chakabama, 13 Assam Rifle, and his officers. Honorable MLA Kropol, though he is not here with us, I would like to extend our thanks and gratitude to him. Department of Agriculture, represented by the Additional Director and his staffs. Department of Tourism, headed by the Deputy Director and his staffs. Press and Media Fraternity, Agri-Allied organizations, my colleagues from the Agri-Allied organization, NDPB, Central Executive members from the NDPB, Kohima Region NDPB, and Pogoboto Region NDPB, and not forgetting our pastor Sri Medongol Thami, who has blessed this program. Ami सबसे आगे दे हमार लगा चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर निफ्यू रियो लगा ग्रीटिंग्स अपना खान के जनाई दिया से तार लगा बाबिना एकदम फार विजन था के बड़ा आजी नागालैंड दो अमी खान बाबिया निशिना आगे जा से इधर शुरू हुआ से होले भी बिशी जावले आसे अमी खान इधर गानी तार लगा ग्रीटिंग्स पहला अपना खान के जना दिया से हमार खान लगा पार्टी लगा ग्रीटिंग्स भी अपने खान के पहला जना दिया से NDPP नागालैंड लगा अमी आरो हमार लगा कोलिग्स खान सेंट्रल एग्री एलाइड खान किले येती आही बोले इच्छा होशे दुईटा रीजन निमित्ते येते आहीचे एग्री एलाइड टू डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी भी नाय हमें खान तो ऑफिस भी नाय पार्टी ते ही आसे होले भी अमर खान लगा सीनियर मेंबर्स खान बड़ा एग्री एलाइड तो यदि जाबो पारिले बाल होबो कोगिना अमर खान के को बड़ा अमी खान ठीक आसे यदि जाबो सेकेंडली irrespective of the position you hold today अपने की पोजीशन ते थाकी भी होले भी it is a duty I believe for all of us kun hole bi amakhan laga ami khan naga manu laga journey of sustainability nijor ami khan stand hobo lage sustain hoi jabo lage ami khan itu laga journey te to apne power te ase apne chair te ase itu nohoi gina ami khan sob pi effort dibo lage itu nimide ami khan aji eti agree alike to इतिया ही बोले इच्छा हो गया ना आहा से एग्री एलाइड तो अमी को निशिना अमी खान तो डेवलपमेंट बॉडी भी नहीं है इट इज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विदिन द NPF पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अमी खान एग्री एलाइड डिपार्टमेंट साइशे कोले पहला दे तो छेता था किसे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर soil and water conservation Forest Department, Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Department of Sericulture. Itu bड़ा है Agri Allied इनका कोई के ना माती के ना आहा चने आसे होले भी अमी खान Rule of Executive Business 2020 ते साइशे कोले इमान Department आरो भी Agri Allied नीचे ते हाली के ना आसे Department of Water Resources, Department of Fisheries, Department of Cooperation, Department of Land Resources, Mission like NEPET, Nagaland Bamboo Development Agencies, Nagaland Bee and Honey Mission, Nagaland Bioresources Mission. Sab milai le to 14 department nishina Agri Allied te ahigena thake dekhi ase. Age te ko nishina इमान डिपार्टमेंट थाकिले भी आमी खान एग्री एलाइड लगा रोल तो बेसी छोटा आसे इतिया आगे पीछे ते गोबो होले भी इतिया नेशन इतु इंडिया नेशन तो पोलाई आसे 2047 ते डेवलप कंट्री होबो के पोला आसे ताती एग्री एलाइड सेक्टर लगा काम बेसी डांगर आसे इतु कारणे आमी खान एज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आमी खान लगा ड्यूटी तो इमान नाय होले भी किनिगा होइले डिपार्टमेंट और फार्मर्स मौजूदे साइंटिस्ट खान रिसर्चर्स खान डिपार्टमेंट खान काम करी के ना इतु गैप थाकिला इतु मिलाई दिबो আৰু ইনফৰমেশ্যন নাপায় নাপোন
গভর্নমেন্ট পলিসিস না জানি কেনা থাকিলে মিলাই দিব কাম করে আছে তাতে আমি কাম এগ্রি এলআইসি ইটু দে ইটু লাগা সিদ্ধা মুখ্য আমি কাম জায়গা না ফার্মার্স কাম প্রোগ্রেস আছে ইটু সাব আর কি লাগে আছে কিনেকা পৰা আমি কাম তাই লাগা এটি থাকিলে লৈ কেনা ডিপার্টমেন্ট পৌঁছাই দিব और डिपार्टमेंट के किनेका होले আপনার পৰা পলিসিস প্রোগ্রাম সব জায়গায় ফার্মার্স কিন্তু আমি কাম লাগার রোল মেন ইন প্লেস bridging the gap between farmers and
the departments, also the bank or facilities কি আছে agencies খান মাজতে farmers খান তাখান লদে কিনকা অশোতে আনিব পাৰিব ইটো আমি খান লাগা কামটো তাতিহে যি আছে কই কিনা আমি খান লাগা রোল এগ্রি এলাইট লাগা রোল দিটো আছে কই কিনা বলে ইটো আপনা খান কে ক্লারিফিকেশন দি আছে আমি অন বিহাফ অফ all of us আমি খান কিমান জন ইতি আছে সব লাগা নামরা আপনি খান কেজমা ভিলেজ কে টাঙর ব্রা কনগ্রেচুলেট দি আছে ইমান একটা ভিলেজ ব্রা ইমান কৰিবলে পারে তো বেশি ডাঙৰ আছে দে আমি এটি 2022 দে লাস্ট টার্ম দে আমি অপোজিশন দে থাকিছে এনপিএফ থাকিছে আমি খান 2021 দে আমি খান অপোজিশন লেস গভর্নমেন্ট ফর্ম কৰি কেনা 21 later part of 21 দে গভর্নমেন্ট দে আহিছে গভর্নমেন্ট দে আহি কেনা এটি চিফ মিনিস্টার আরবান স্টেশন খুলিবলে 2022 তো আহা দাম দে আহি কেনা আপোনাৰ খান লাগা বস্তি দেখি কেনা বস্তিতে বিৰাই নাই অলবি কিমান বি ভাল বস্তি আছেও কৈ কেনা এপ্ৰিচিয়েট কৰি কেনা যা এইটো ৰিমেম্বৰ কৰা আছে আজি তো গ্লিমস অফ ইয়োৰ ভিলেজ পাৰ্টি কৰি কেনা আহি কেনা ইমান ভাল ভিলেজ আৰু ইমান ডাঙৰ ভিলেজ থাকি কেনা দেখাটো বেছি খুশি পাই আছে আমি গলতি নহলেতো 22 তে আমার লাগা চিফ মিনিস্টার তো ইতি ভিজন হালি কেনে যা আজি আপনি খান হারভেস্ট করে আছে তার আমি খান কিনেকা হলে সেলফ সাস্টেইন হব লাগে আর কিনেকা হলে আমি খান এগ্রি সেক্টরতে বুম করবলে পারিব উঠিবলে পারিব ইটোলা কথা পি কই কেনা থাকে জানি আছে আর মিলেট আপনি খান জায়গা নিচিনা তো মিলেট পি ভাল হব কই কেনা ইটো কোৱাটো আজি আপনি খান 2025 তে মিলেট ফেস্টিভেল বস্তি বড়া মিলেট ফেস্টিভেল অর্গানাইজ করবলে পারে থাকে তো ইটো বেশি ডাঙর কথা আছে আমি দোসরা আরো না যাই আগে দে আমার লাগা এগ্রি এডভাইজার তো স্টেশন তে থাকে না গো কিনে শুনিছে অলবি কালি রাতি তাই লাগা পিকচার দেখিছে একটা ফাংশন দে তাই বড় আমি তাইকে মেসেজ দিছে আমি আজি কেজমাতে মিলেট ফেস্টিভেল দে যে আছে স্যার আপনি লাগা মেসেজ কিবা আছে না নাই গো কিনা তাইকে কথা তো তাই লাগা মেসেজ আপনি কেন কে দি কিনা আছে আমি তো পড়াই দিব Here's a short message. My warm greetings to the people of Kezoma village on the occasion of the Millet Festival. My heartfelt appreciation for the efforts of the villagers and organizers in promoting this important crop. May this festival inspire pride in your traditions, strengthen community bonds, and encourage wider adoption of millet, a healthier and sustainable future. Wish the Millet Festival of Kezoma great success. Ito amakan laga advisor laga message apnakan ke diya se. Aji laga challenges too. How do we blend the traditional practice with the modern advancement? That is the challenge. Aro aji yeti aige na Kezoma apne khan laga organize kura ekla na hoye na kinega apne khan documentation kuri na ki te ja ase ami khan bosti laga achievement to pura documentation kuri na inega kuri bole para ekta village pura idu bishi dangor ase anything we do now should not be done haphazardly. The other day, Amigan Indira Gandhi Stadium there, and NDP PS Khan aro youth Khan football match khelishe. Tate Amigan few of us, office bearers NDP Khan football match saigena Amigan discuss kore thakishe. Itu Indira Gandhi Stadium do bishi bhal bra banaise ho holebi. Those days we were not aware. Amigan to aware thakya nai tati bra. Itu study nagorigena bana nimide itia to ek din de match thakile bi hodai clouds to descend kore. Clouds to ahigena match khilibole na paregena boya ase. Itu garne itu to practice ground nohole to match ahibole digdar hoi ja ase. Iniga amikhan discuss kori thakise de. Itia advanced thinking nagas amikhan ki gurubo lage. Anything we plan to do, we must go back and see the history. 10 years te kinega takisha, 20 years te kinega takisha, aro itu banaile 10 years te ki hoi jabo, 20 years te ki hoi jabo, 50 years te ki hoi jabo. Itu babina thaki kena age jabole time ponchishe amikhan. To iniga time de apne khan laga record documentation khan bishi bhal ja ase. Itu bishi dangor achievement ase, and that will take you apne khan ke loge ne itu dangor achievement te jabo. Ami ke MD Toyota Oxa Toyota koi kena address kura ase. Hoi ami amar la sati khan ke bi koi thake. Anything the Japanese are doing, they have a record of 50 years laga record, experience record ase de. Ami khan ta khan ke teach kurubole na pare. Japanese way of doing things has a record of minimum 50 years history ase. Mistake nai. That is where our Nagas we should be looking forward. Amikhan pi tati saigena age jabole ase. To aji yete aigena Kizoma village iman well organized kurigena ja thake dekhigena bishi khushi pa ase apne khan ke congratulations dangor dia ase. Aro we did not come here to accept your presence. Itu lobole ahana amikhan in fact agri allied khan ku jase amikhan to meat na khabo de vegetable he banai dibi amikhan ke inega koigena bira ase amikhan aji ide aigena iman present iman dangor amikhan ke dishe aur amikhan ke honor dia do bishi khushi amakhan tradition de do sama tradition de do meat dia do itu mamuli nawai itu to relation laga ase itu to bonding laga ase itu garne bishi thanks organizers aro village apna khan ke bishi thanks dangor pra diase. My appreciation and thanks goes to the Department of Agriculture, apne khan aro Department of Tourism. Ite amar tourism director ka ki hai koi nishina. Tourism has been categorized as an industry, not only a department, but it is an industry now in Nagaland. Aro apne khan time philai lebi iman kam kurigena itu village ekla na hoi kena dosate bi bishi kam kura ase. Olebi aji ite aigena iman agri department or tourism department bra posti kezoma ke tani kena loi kena age ja dekhi kena bishi khushi pai ase itu continue kuri dibo lage. Under National Food Security Mission te kam bishi ja ase aro itu aji kezoma laga success to I think apart from your hard labor and your vision and your dedication, the National Food Security Mission laga modot pi logina iman tok ahibo pare ase aro itu to sob amar koi nishina ite agriculture department aro tourism department bra tani kena loi ja dekhi kena apni khan laga appreciation and thanks apne khan department ke bi di ase. Itu millet laga tu amar officer duita bra bahal bra koi dishe millet tu ki ase koi kena ami tati iman kobole kam nai holebi if we look back to the history all of iniga flip back kurile tu itu 2021 de India bra United Nations ke move korise millet tu international year declare kobo lage koi kena 2021 de India hai UN they move korise Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN they move korise. It was supported by 70 countries. 70 country bra 2021 de move kura to tadi bra hai 2023 to year of the millet declare koi kina ase 2023 to ami to hari jaise to aro harai kina rest boi jaise tadi bra ki government de ki jase ami khan to iman na jane hoise holebi if we look at the record 2023 to year of the millet thakise with the theme healthy millets healthy people itu hai mission laga theme thakise UN laga aro prime minister Modi bra India te ekta chokri ke appreciate korise itu chokri to Lahiri bai ase tar laga nam 27 years old from Madhya Pradesh te bra itu chokri ki korise kole 150 varieties of millet tai gather korwa parise de 150 varieties of millet ami khan Nagaland de chechamate 7 varieties cholai ase kunba sema area te 7-8 varieties ja ase naki yeti amar khan kezomate kiman thakibo 7 ponche ase na 3-4 thakibo already itu millet to if we look at the records it is there are about 150 varieties chai ase aro ite record saile to 2025 te to Bangalore was the international millet festival to Bangalore to host kurgena ase January de bra kurisha dekha so adia bosti manu khan slide te dekha nishina aro amar duita officer bra ko nishina poila to millet to poor man's food thakise poor khana khai laga food to aji to rich man's food hoy jaise to aji to etu nutrition benefit health benefit bishi damor ai jaise aro etu laga scope to bishi ase ami scope to nagobo holebi ami khan jane nimide tate aha ase etu gati etu la scope to bishi hoy ase ami kezoma bosti khan ke kobole mon thake to etu na charibi the way you have come in within the span of 2-3 years it is an indication that you will scale even higher holebi on top of that ami bi koi dibole mon ase na charibo lagibo aro tati addition korbe to srabi addition korbe aji iti ami khan birai gena sana holebi bishi varieties of vegetable bishi ase to karne itu to bishi achievement ase it is certainly a way towards sustainability of the Naga people itu jabole itu apna khan ke koi dia ase ami khan Kohima aro Nagaland saile to bishi credit to amakhan laga chief minister lote jai aro Kohima ke to amar chief minister bra first district koigena nam dishe de it's befitting ami ko bishi befitting nam dishe Kohima ke first district de to ami khan touring jai gena to chichama agna to aro cheminiu inika jai gena touring jai gena aha to angami khan bra terrace pani kheti hikai dia tu khisa huni paise de ami babise khali po boto de angami khan chakhasan khan aigena amakhan ke hikase babisile noy jaigena tingsang mon tok apne khan laga terrace cultivation pani kheti kinika kuruba lage to hikai gena ase ami khan kheti man na jane tamte bra aji ami khan Naga manu khan zoom do charibo lage inega koigena bishi bosti de zoom cultivation to charigene jase traditional foods khan to chari dia ase iman mon duk thagya damde ajibi apne khan be feeding to your name to the name given to Kohima district as the first district apne khan itu festival ekla noy holebi Khuve festival orange festival millet festival iniga jaga te amakhan Naga manu khan ke age de na charibi Naga manu laga survival Naga manu laga pride Naga manu laga identity to itihase ko gina amakhan ke dekhai dia to etu bishi dangor kotha ase etu garni apne khan etu na charibo lage what we see in the future of Kohima district is that last week, about a week back, the morning I went through the social media and I saw the resolution of the Angami Gazetted Officers Union. Angami Gazetted Officers Union laga resolution dekhi kena ami itu loi kena phat poboto NDPP group ta halishe aro poboto officers group ta halishe itu debate kuribido itu sabido ki Angami khan laga officers laga resolution to sabido tadi ki paise tadi we Nagas Angami khan we have to change our mindset budli guruwa lage go kine itu number 1 resolution paise itu bishi dangor kotha ase de number 2 ki paise self reliant hoi jabo lage ami khan self reliant hoi jabo lage itu paise de third to abnormal number of illegal immigrants identity na thaki kena to thakya khan to danger ase bahar manu hobi identity thake kena ami khan law te thakile ikun hoy de holibe identity na thakya to beshi danger ase holibe ami khan kiman manu itu serious loy activists egla students egla serious loy thakile bi decision making khan officers khan itu na bujile to beshi digdar hoase holibe itu ami Angami Gazetted Officers Union laga resolution dekhi kena beshi khushi paise aro aji amar laga sati kebi sope IGP amakhan lo de boha ase iman time phelai kena yete ahi kena ami khan lo boha dekhi kena beshi khushi paise ta ekla na hobo yeti by name ami na janibo holebi apne khan officers khan aro important manu yeti beshi thaki bole babi ase aro sobke thanks di ase this is certainly a way leading the Naga people to a positive life, positive change. Ami khan kiman thakile bi apuna laga mindset itu bodli na korile to kitabi na paribo. Yesterday I went down to Chaminu tadi amar laga sati amar laga roommate thakise ikilode tadara kamlongchari tar kotha kobole thakya bra ami ta laga kotha huni bole jese resilience in transition. Ide budli bisha ahadam de ami khan ki kurbo lage naga manu resilience in transition itu huni bole jesha tar tati ekta message koise apne shukupra na huni bi holebi apne laga mind aro heart bra huni bi naga manu khan shukupra na huni bi go to ki ko ase अपने की देखा है तुझे फॉलो करा से तो रॉन्ग थकले भी अपने शुक्र देखा है फॉलो करा से और भी अपने लगा माइंड अपने लगा हार्ट पड़ा तो अपने बुटली ना करे तो इतने करने नागा मानो खान आमी खान लगा शुक्र पूरा चेंज ना बिसारे भी और भी माइंड और हार्ट पड़ा बुटली करू बोले बिसारे भी कोई कि ना आमा खान क्राउड के कोई है विशेष कोई है बाल कोता और भी that really touch me and I'm sure it will touch every one of us. Aji ami khan budli self reliant de jabo gole to first and foremost ami laga babina to ami khan laga mindset to budli kurbo lagibo aro ami hodai goe hodai galti hole hodai gragra hole ami khan kisa we always look for who is right kun hai thik ase go ami bhi ami last side te ami right ase to apne bhi apne laga argument to apne right hobo to ole bhi ami khan what is right in between who is right there is what is right ki hai ghusa se itu bisare bola ke to aage jabole itu village pra ami khan ke example dia ase itu village te understanding bishi ase itu village te cooperation bishi ase itu village te elders ke respect kura bishi ase itu village te party pra driven bangai dia nai 5 साल pura party khela nai itu nimde inga achievement pare ase itu village te khali shukupra dekhi ke na support no hoy ke na heart and mind pura hai manu khan ekjon ke understand kuro pare ase itu karne itu pare ase aji ami khan yeti we are here from Twingsang, from Mon, from different parts of Naga areas. Amikan itu message, itu laga bosti laga positive message logi na jabo lagibo. Aro I extend my appreciation to the Angami Gazetted Officers Union for the positive move. Apne khan Naga Manohan get lead kurbe na jado. I think all of us should emulate such principles. Ekta ase ami yeti detail kobole aha nai. Ito this will be best known by the department who are dealing with the Vikshit Bharat and Vikshit Nagaland. Holebi yeti aha laga nambra. Ami ekta duita ito country to ku jase to kobole bi mon ase de. Vikshit Bharat 2047 to ki ko ase. 2047 de India the developed nation hobo ko ase to. So ito interpretation de jase gole to world number 1 kuribo ko ase to. Only 22 years left. Kila 2047 target kura ase because by then India will be 100 years of her independence. That is just day. That is, if we look at the declaration, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman highlighted India's vision 2047, focusing on inclusive growth of women, youth, farmers are underprivileged. Itu charta pillar bra India ke logena develop te jabole jayasde. Ami khan ajido ami ko nishina. I'm not an agriculturist or I'm not a farmer. I'm just a layman, and we agree that are just a layman. We are concerned. We're concerned that we should be able to go along with the changes of time. Jabalagi wa amikan. Itu garni when the right time comes, we will have to interact and learn more from the department concerned. Olabi itu amikan sabola lage. Itu driven kinaga driven jase gule. Vikshit Krishi Sun Club Abhiyan, VKSA. It is a nationwide agriculture initiative which was launched in Nagaland on May 29. Nagaland TV, itu launch kurgena thakya amikan record paasade. Vikshit Krishi Sun Club Abhiyan to ki kwa ase gule. If you interpret it in English, it is saying it is like the Develop Agriculture Resolution Campaign.
Presentation from the Department of Agriculture, Government of Nagaland. Sir, you may kindly take the stage.
I was delighted when I received the program just yesterday, and we were discussing among this name of this millets. We call it oats. In my Kazakino or Kozabomi, I say, in my dialect, I say ts. Then I saw the program today, has come in. I just asked my friend here, my colleagues from our brother again, he said, you should be us. That means who name or call the word first. In my full dialect, I call it tsebe. Tsebe. Here we call it ots. So means three is there, then who called the term first? Then I was discussing with some of my senior colleagues in the presence of director yesterday. Then I said, foxtail, it should be like that, or what do we call, how the word comes? So that way, I'm also not a resource person here, but I came here to learn from you. I'm a paddy cultivator, not millet cultivators. Basically, I tell you, I'm a cultivators, farmers from Kazagano, Kuzabomi village, but I'm not a profession in millet cultivations. No, I don't have knowledge about it, proper knowledge. For this topography of Nagaland, okay? I've done research in some field, but not in millet, no. I've studied agriculture, yes, but in different location. Here, I want to share to you is, our God is so grateful and gracious to our people here. Firstly, He have created this beautiful world for us. When you go back to the Old Testament in Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 says, He have created the heaven and earth, the beautiful earth that we are residing, our forefathers was residing. In Genesis chapter 1 and verse 29 also, He have given us everything to us, where we are dwelling and living it for a short period of time or years. That what I am trying to emphasize is our forefathers have undergone this type of situation during the time, and with their struggling and their findings, we have come to this stage thus far. It is their findings, not my finding. So when they're unknown to God, see, I say they were struggling which crop to eat, which are the herbs to eat, which are the animals that God hath given to us on the surface of this earth. So this is our handiwork, our precious thing that our forefathers pass it over to us. 后面彼此个不多的，就是不个多。如果吃个别，吃那个学个，记那个学个，给记录那个报告，是那价值大呀个。哎，吃点牛节这些，哎，这里是。是个是马爸爸嘛，天女给连了些，门是个那些有个，对了，那么好呀，马给你面些好，没给白米些肉或白就是靠巴拉是多呢，没给白米那些吃几句话呢，吃不几句话是个好不好？给克不得给克个好，吃好哈，雷蒙的塞东吃不的好，啊，就是吃不的哩，好可别我个这个头。그래서 대화부터 배때무지 시중 모델 와도부지 와도부지를 그때게 리동 먹도 미리 시리어 어찌듯이 그거 가서 그 요거로 나리 지수로 다쳐서 그 도구는 뭐 그거로 때 걸리 지수 버그라 뭐 아리 나리 지리시 뭐 제가 에그리컬처 그 섬에 쓰다 너무 모든 다 깨타랑 뭐 또리 깨 도리부터 아 쓰지리시 뭐 수아 que to no keep no go betara di vor mo no lesson ma shu se ka sa di vor practical wor no go shi was la ache abano body ache natural farming mo ke crease go nagalen mo pm ki sam go go nagalen bi on behalf of nagalen ki daily go se correspondence as gi atyo ke so sari how ha ke za du chi was go se ke zo la vor za ha natural farming 우크루프 전혀도 스바디 가바디 시큐어 스바디 가비 우츠바시 수고베 자디에서 미로 공화디 퍼보라 우고로베 자디 우고 시시마다자 아 그때 되게 아무데요 우고 백 놀라버리 우고 zor리게 위 파츠디 especially 우고 brothers 과 태자고 부서 미모들이 뿌리 발로데 우고멘가 매체 괜찮수자 위세서 보자 아츠무 리치노리 오고 보니요 기차미에 계셔서 대리 치웨 오고 루시디 루케르 퍼모 리카다 르나노티오 케예다 피츠고 가바다 피츠기기 라보스모다 아부와시라 프라모 아로와츠하니 아차 가비 아달링스 그 미니버 very old lady 100 plus 대제리스라 어고 나가면 대제 crop 대미 보라키가 저야 there are 이제 어고서 기제 I never come to the front line also 보야고 let's get to sur all 나글렌 we try to make the 호호고 percent 거 진바 프레도 sur so 아투 발레모 데 보기니 뭐 투스 그 토무 투스디 researcher 거리 투어모 아 어고 지호하 부근 그 sur we are hard working people aro mie oko zeu pupu shoshi aro nomlaya ke krimo mona oko topography ha ke mie tsu li tsbadi mirobatsi lidi tractor puno baladi hector gar me fava no tsia di indie me vats mori world vats tu ande deri a ke yutsu ke togize teni hepengu ka dale sebor chikevie tetsu no seborle mo ugo mi hepengu ke tsebie mira sasi 오고 가리마 미시서 그 니터 아리미시아 니터 네 가리리스 세타서 니터네 와부는 시리다도 가리세는데 I tell you there is 코에 vordi 오고 캠히디 리치리딘데 I don't think 주바서 케즈 하고 쿠로 주세디 리시미키 가르키 주로 아쿠 라스 네 주바서 생는 미주아스기세 제 쇼디 파라크고 좀 하고 시리 ủng hộ mỹ đi chú ba điều không kết sự vấn đề sự chỉ đồ mua sắm ủng hộ gì máu nó chút sẽ đi 계속 cái nhiều 것을 ủng hộ gì 아니 요것을 아크리아가 아셔야 되는데 리프고 톨모도 리프가 되신데 that is the truth 그거 하시고에 미프게 맞아야되시 알아놓는다야 슬라는 에이 하고 세벌 가서셔서 주어서는 피시에 의미로 ዝ밖에 녀세를 리디케지도 뭐 아시리 부야고 so 그거 두고 치리볼 뭐 두고 하도 세벌시에 so I think we have to go back what do we have done 그거 시시 뭐하더리 피츠고 가바디 때큰 가바디 보니 올리지야더리 보니 리플레이스 그 그거 보니 어느 해서 뭐 시시 아니뇨라 그 후브라시라 그 후브시는데 리치서 하는 것만 돌리 this is our culture 아스나 북니오 부스도 그거 millet festival 하와 International Year of Millets 2023 with the rest of the country or with the rest of the world 그것을 celebrate인데 스키리 이거 저 미국의 호허발물이 스키 소리 nobody have reflected 제모로 부터래 텔하게 집어 뭐 제츠게 집어 뭐 호버스 스키 저 특별 말해야 돼 보다 네 저 호버스 스키 게 돈을 하우하 하우 마켓 zmie 시리 부야 게 클라몬 하우로 하우 메시지무 하우하 리즈 하우로 우테니까 크라신 마사 maintenance 로 after care 라 주 하우하 이건 할리는 가서봐 뭐로 어디 그 대출리노 아루 대출리노 도그니 무슨데 무시스 하우하 우 우라미야 어디 타츠가 선은 할리 지시 지스바 뭐 아슬라 하우하 무 하우하리 퍼바몰레 시데우 그니츠 바몰레 슬라치 generation 하우하 기 리퀘스트 그노로 제오고 릴라시디 우크부 자뇨 우게게츠자 herbs라 뭐로 기치 우고 파차키누 두부 세vor 보니고 디치 100 years 어디 수 제보리 가봐서 부지우에 우고 수배 자리신데 수우고 테크리에시리 수서 제 climate resilience 디버죠 COVID 리무티오 오미에 부티르 디에타처 응와테 deforestation la glaciers la CFC la layers ko la so putiu ke dieta singwata la tiezi ukru putsani ko research zieda ho hago chiri borada ho ponyo ko hago select di khabazo ko harlan khabazo ko ha hago pachaiji foxtailed scientifically it is called Setaria italica so it have a short duration seasons crop hardly takes 70 to 90 days or say 1.5 months to 3 months say, roughly so this is a nutri-cereal crops which thrives well where other crops cannot or thrives well and this is a good food for the diabetes patients also because they have low glycemic content in it a stable food for the common people, the animals, and other living things. In India, it is called as kangni or tenai, and can be prepared in diverse ways in place of rice. Replacement of dosas, pulaus, or kheer also for this, especially the recipe of this millet. Key characters and uses. We have nutritional benefits. As I have mentioned, it is good for the heart patients and diabetes also. And it have versatile use. That is stable food for someone, not maybe not for the people of Nagaland. I suppose majority eat rice. And growing conditions, since it is fast growing, this is very much rescue crops we call it, and good source of amino acid. It contains amino acid that reduces the hunger. Some points about the regional significance. It is one of the most cultivated millets which have its ancient origin from China, Yellow River. And stable food, as I mentioned, for many people, when at time adverse conditions prevailed in a community. Therefore, global significance, it is the second highest produced globally. Then for food security, it provides foods for millions and millions. See, particularly the soil having marginal quality of soils like Africa, even including some part of Asia and part of the world. And for these tips to help you is, if you have allergy or if you have thyroid in it with you, you have to take precautions that you should not go take excessive of this millet. The disorder, digestive disorder, because this is a roughness in this it contains. So this millet, the recipe can be numbers into many. In 2020-23, we have observed International Year of Millet with the rest of the world. Many have seen the recipe of millet, but as I'm truly speaking, I've not seen during my childhood. I've just come here and seen. Since my agriculture, my lifetime as a farmer, I was confined to this terrace and bench terracing. So I don't have much knowledge on that. Instead, I have to learn from the people who are with us now, a farmer. I honor them, that's why. And it is time, the government of India also have made so many programs now, we call it natural farming even, and many other international funding also, they've come to our state now. So instead of I teaching them that local knowledge, traditional culture or knowledge, we have to go back to our elders or say elders in the present in the village who have first-hand information with the soil, not that bookish knowledge like me. So it is high time that the knowledge that they have with them will pass over like before, the forefathers passing to us.
I request our sir from the Department of Tourism, Government of Nagaland, to kindly take the stage.
If we move back to our past, I think as an agrarian society, millet plays a very crucial role in providing a food security to our rural community in the past, I believe. It is this very crop that during the intermediary period when the recent harvest is depleting, as the years move on and we are about to reach that next harvest, I think this millet provided a very enormous food security to our people in the past. Today, with the progress of agriculture and technology and the researchers, it is learned that millet provides a very resourceful food for our health. So our this agricultural practices of this millet cultivation and our modern day, I think, converges. So our forefathers left a very good heritage for us. So I believe we should keep on upkeep this practice of cultivation of millet. Secondly, I think for every state or for every government, I think they consider the strength of our state and then decide the economic policy and plans of the state. So I think today we are lucky that our state government has taken tourism as an industry, as an economic engine the potential for the progress of our state economy. So here seeing the people of Kezoma organizing this millet festival in a line with the policies and program of the government is very appreciative and encouraging. So I would, on behalf of the department, I would encourage the people to upkeep this very practice. Thirdly, I think the community responsibility is very necessary for the progress of any economy of the people of any particular area or state. So while promoting this tourism promotions, this agricultural tourism promotions, I think it is necessary that the organizers and the people always need to consider the participation of the community, because the community effort is guaranteed for the progress, for the economic progress, and then I think that should be upkept as we progress on. Thirdly, I think we Naga people are known for our hospitality. So like in the conduct of business, I think there are standard way of conducting, our services, or rather providing services to the visitors or tourists or whatever venture we take. So I think we should transform that, or rather interpret our traditional hospitality today in today's form or in today's time, I think. So like while promoting our tourism through conduct of these festivals, I think we should encourage our people to sell our products rather than practicing those traditional hospitalities, which in those days were relevant. But yet we cannot continue with that traditional hospitality as we practice in the past, but then it should be transformed in this today's and relevant to the today's time, I think, with this commercialization, and then promote through those ideas to benefit our people in promotion of these tourism activities. Thirdly, lastly, I wish and pray that this very festival will continue to prosper and progress for the benefit of the people. With these few words, I would end my speech here. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Your encouragement words will surely inspire us to promote our heritage more strongly. We now present a folk tune by Pete VLO Kezoma. Let's enjoy the soulful rhythm of our tradition.